is where we make beautiful DIYs. We make glam DIYs. Y'all, we take something from Goodwill and we revamp that. We make it new again. So if this is something that you would like to see, y'all stay tuned. Stick around for more of these glam DIYs. And don't forget to push the notification bell so you can see the new uploads and you won't miss out on anything. Y'all, let's get right into this video. We're going to make a beautiful glam flower box. Okay, what we're going to use is these picture frames that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And the picture frame does not come like this, y'all. It comes like this. This is old, so, you know, don't, you know, get to Dollar Tree and be like, well, I didn't see that, because I did this. We're going to use these cute little hearts that I got from Amazon. We are going to use our mirrors that we got from Dollar Tree. This bling wrap, we're going to use the silver and the pink. We're also going to use this mixture of like crushed diamonds. I have the silver, white, and pink in here. And we're going to use our glue gun, glue sticks, and brush. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these mirrors. And what we're going to do is, I think the box, I'm going to make the box long enough to like be a centerpiece. So we are going to like do 6 of these. So I think the first, because y'all know sometimes I plan this stuff out and sometimes I don't. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is take 2 of these. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, and this came kind of bent, but it's not going to matter in the end. But anyway, it has like a backing on it, self-adhesive. Y'all, I can't get it to come off. Okay, there it is. So all we're gonna do is, this one is broken, so I'm gonna have to, you know, improvise on this one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and put some glue inside of the heart, the broken heart, that is. Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side and let this dry as well. Okay, so now we're gonna take our picture frames and we're gonna glue them together. Okay, Glam fam. So this is the two boxes, well, half boxes that I made, and I'm just gonna join them together. I just wanted a little bit longer box, so that's why I did it like that. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put our glue on each of the ends, so we can glue these together. Okay, so after we glued ours together, I'm going to put on each of the insides, I'm going to put these mirrors on the sides, each side right here. The crushed diamond, I've already done this side to just show you all how I wanted to make the heart look. So all you have to do is take some glue, and the sweetest thing happened when I did this, and I don't know why I've even thought of this particular DIY, but the sweetest thing happened, and this is what the sweetest thing was. This is a DIYer's dream when something just fits. So it just fit right into this little the picture frame part, so that was perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect. I couldn't believe it. I was like, wow. So after that, we're gonna take some of this pink bling wrap, and we're going to, I think I got the wrong scissors. We're going to cut it and place it all around the bottom of the picture frames. Well, it's no longer a picture frame, isn't it? It's a box. So we're going to do that. So we're just going to go all around the box. And also, y'all, one of the commenters said that it's hard for you all to see some of the things I'm doing because I'm right-handed. And I think on the screen it's looking like I'm left-handed or whatever, but I'm gonna try to accommodate her in the next video. I wasn't able to in this video, but I'm gonna move some stuff around in my next video, so that if you all are not being able to see very well, then I'm going to make sure that you all can see from, you know, every direction. Y'all, I'm not perfect at this filming or anything like that. I never have been. That was my daughter-in-law. She, like I said, got me into doing this. So I'm just still learning, for real, y'all. I swear I am still learning. So I'm just placing the diamond wrap around the edges, And that's what we're gonna do. So basically, once I'm done, it should look like this on this side. This should look like this. This side is done, so this is how it'll end up looking once I'm done on the other side. And then we're just gonna put our flowers in and call it a day. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how the flower base looks so far. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, go on this side, and I'm gonna show you how I did this. So what I did was I used this glue, these glue sticks and everything, and here you go. Remember, this is a DIYer's dream. It's for something to just actually fit. Okay, Glam fam, so this is ultimately how it's turning out. I'm going to clean it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some flowers in it so you can see the full effect.
Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our beautiful flower box turned out, y'all. I love this little flower vase. It's so cute with the pink hearts. And the other side looks like this. So y'all, I think we did a great job at this flower box. So y'all know what to do. If you like it, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.